Hello everyone, welcome back to the MailsDaddy YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to learn how to prepare Google Workspace for mailbox migration to Zoho Mail. Before starting the migration process, we need to complete some important configuration step inside Google Cloud. So let's begin step by step. First of all, open the browser and go to Google Cloud Console. Here you need to create a new project. Simply click on the new project option. Enter a suitable project name, select the organization and location, and then click on Create button. Once the project is created successfully, make sure to select that project from the project list. Click on Select Project. Now, the next step to create a service account. So, for that, go to the search bar and search service account. Click on the service account. Now, click on the Create Service Account. Provide the service account name. Click on the Create and Continue button. Now, in the role section, select the owner role and click on Continue. Now, continue with. Finally, our project is created successfully. Now, after creating the service account, open it and copy the service account email ID and client ID. You can paste these details into a notepad file because we will need them later. Now, we need to generate a security key. For that, click on this account service link, go to the key, click on Add New Key, Create New Key, and here select P12 and click on Create button. Here you can see the key file is downloaded to your system. Close this window. Great. Now we will enable some required APIs for migration. And for that, click on search bar and search APIs, API and service. Click on that. Go to the libraries section and enable APIs one by one, such as Gmail. Click on enable button. Also for contact. Enabling these APIs allows secure access to your user mailbox data during migration. Next, we need to configure domain-wide delegation. For this, copy this link or go to this link or domain address, admin.google.com, domain-wide delegation. All the links that I use in this video are mentioned in the description, so you can copy or check out there. Here, click on the add new and paste the client ID that we saved earlier. Copy the client ID and provide the required permission scopes. Copy the scopes from here and paste it. Click on authorize button. That's it. We have done all the necessary preparation steps from the Google Workspace side are now completed. So now we need to go to Zoho. So go to Zoho Workspace, click on profile and then go to admin console. Then click on users. If you haven't added user yet, you can add them from here by click on add button. Once your user are ready, go to the data migration tab and then choose the start data migration button. Enter a migration name and in the choose protocol, Google Workspace. Here enter your Google Workspace super admin email address. Next, in the service account email is the address you saved earlier. Then upload the secret key that you downloaded. After that, click on authenticate button. Once it's successful, you will see that everything is connected. Now select what you want to migrate like mail, contact, calendar, or choose all folder or a specific folder. If you want, you can also set a date range for emails. Otherwise, just leave it as it is and click on add. On the next page, keep everything default and click on create. Now the migration is created, but it hasn't started yet. Go to the user and click on add user. Enter Google Workspace username. Now enter your destination email address and click on add. Here you can manually add users or upload them using a CSV file by click on import CSV file. Once users are mapped, click on start migration and then click start again. Now the migration has started and is in progress. The time is taken depends on your data size. It can take a few minutes to several hours. Once it's done, the status will show as completed. So that's how you can easily migrate from Google Workspace to Zoho Mail. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.